Hey everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and happy almost New Year's Eve. 2019 is almost here and I'm super excited because we are expecting a baby in the new year and I can't wait. So I wanted to show you guys some dollar store hacks for super easy and simple New Year's Eve decorations. Whether you're hosting a whole big party or it's just going to be you and your family snuggling in for the night, I think these are just fun ways to make it a little bit more festive and fun. And of course they're super inexpensive because they're all from the dollar store. So I hope you guys like these hacks. If you do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys are doing for New Year's Eve this year. I'd love to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. So let's jump in. So the first hack I want to show you guys from the dollar store is a little decoration slash a fun thing for your guests to enjoy that I like to call Ring in the New Year. So all you need are some ring pops and some dollar store champagne glasses, and I made a little card that said Ring in the New Year, and then I just set these up and put a ring pop in each one, so each guest, as they take their little champagne glass, can put a little ring pop on their finger, and it's just a cute little decoration. Next hack I have for you guys is all about the New Year's kiss. So I just got this really inexpensive $1 4x6 frame and some of these little plastic cups and some Hershey Kisses, all from the dollar store, and I made a little sign that said New Year's kiss on it and just decorated it cute. That photo, by the way, is from our engagement shoot. So I just popped the photo into the frame and then just arranged the little cups nicely and filled them with the Hershey Kisses for the guests to enjoy, and also they can enjoy them as the clock strikes midnight. The next dollar store hack is a balloon countdown. So I just got a package of balloons. I picked white. You could do like silver or gold or whatever colors you're theming your party with, and then you just blow them up. As you can see, I struggled a little bit with this one and brought in my husband to help. But basically, you just number the balloons. You can start at 1, 12, you can make a clock, however you want to do it, and then you can pop them either the last 10 seconds of the new year, the last 10 minutes, or you can do it by hour and have everyone like take a drink as you pop a balloon or play a game or do something fun. So it's just a nice way to pass the time. The next hack I have is perfect for watching movies to bring in the New Year's. I found these really cute little popcorn cups at the dollar store, and I thought they just made movie watching a little more festive and fun for such a special night. So I just popped my own popcorn I had at home, although I did see microwave popcorn at the dollar store, and popped them in those cups. My next hack is a really fun decoration using a Christmas garland and some wine glasses. They do have wine glasses at the dollar store that are only $1, but I'm just using the ones I already had at home. And then I cut the garland into like 10-inch long pieces or so. You can just eyeball it. I scrunched it up, stuffed it into the glass, and then I'm just going to flip the glass upside down and put a little tea light candle on top. Of course, you want to watch these and not leave them in a location where you won't be able to see the flames burning, but because it's a tea light with the foil and you're putting it on top of the glass, they're pretty safe to go, and the effect of just putting them all together and stringing some extra garland around just made the table look so festive and beautiful. So for only $1, I thought this was an amazing hack. Along the same lines, I have another decoration involving a wine glass. This is the wine glass I bought at the dollar store just so you guys could see it. I got another garland with Christmas ornaments on it and some bells to ring in the new year, and then I just draped them in the wine glass. I thought it looked really pretty. You could put a few of these in different spots around your home and it would just look so beautiful. Okay, so those are my New Year's Eve dollar store hacks. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!